Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set different footers in WPS Office. For example, we have here our first page. If we would like to edit footer here, we need to click double time on the footer area, and then we need to type a footer text, for example, simple footer, but I will type here number 2, because if you will click on this one option, different first page, simple footer 2 will be moved to second page, and new footer will be created here. So I check this one option, and how you see, our simple footer 2 is now on the page number 2. But if we will scroll up, we will be able to edit first page footer. So I click here and I type here simple footer number 1. I click somewhere outside the box, and here we have simple footer number 1, and here we have simple footer 2. So in this way you can insert different footers in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.